Kickstart your health journey. Buy our Keto Plan now. It's a scientifically designed program that helps your body burn fat for fuel, leading to weight loss. After purchasing, you'll get access to personalized meal plans, delicious and easy-to-make recipes, and round-the-clock expert guidance to ensure your journey is smooth. Invest in your wellness. Our Keto Plan is just a click away. This plan is more than just a diet, it's a lifestyle change. After buying, you'll receive comprehensive guides on maintaining a keto lifestyle, tracking your progress, and managing your macros. Say hello to improved energy levels and better health. Embrace the keto life. Ready to transform your life? Buy our Keto Plan today. This plan offers a holistic approach to health and wellness. After your purchase, you'll benefit from exclusive access to our community of keto enthusiasts, webinars with nutrition experts, and constant motivation to keep you going strong on your keto journey. Link in description, hurry up, and get best offers. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So take that step today with our Keto Plan.